Divorce can dramatically alter your financial landscape, leaving you to navigate a new reality. Understanding your income sources, like salary and support payments, is crucial. Let's explore how to assess your new financial situation effectively. Begin by listing all your income sources, including wages and any support payments. Next, detail your expenses from rent to daily costs. This clarity will help you grasp your financial landscape post-divorce. Focus on essential expenses first: housing, utilities, and transportation. These are non-negotiable. Identify areas where you can cut back, like dining out or subscriptions, to align your budget with your new reality. Ensure your budget reflects your current financial situation. By prioritizing essentials and trimming unnecessary costs, you'll create a sustainable financial plan that supports your new lifestyle. Incorporate child and spousal support into your budget cautiously. Remember, these payments can change over time. If you're the payer, adjust your lifestyle to accommodate these obligations responsibly. Understanding the fluid nature of support payments is vital. By planning for potential changes, you can maintain financial stability and avoid unexpected stress. Set aside funds for emergencies and future expenses. Rebuilding your credit and establishing financial independence are crucial steps. Open individual accounts and manage joint debts wisely. By taking these steps, you'll secure a stable financial future. Remember, financial independence is key to moving forward confidently. Start today by assessing your finances and planning for tomorrow. At Divorce 661, we help clients navigate the financial side of divorce so they can move forward with confidence.